Hello Year 2s, it's Miss Whitmarsh with another maths video. Today we're going to be focusing on column subtraction. All you're going to need is some paper and a pencil and we can get started straight away. First of all, let's have a look at subtraction. Subtraction is the opposite of addition. So when we look at it in our whole part diagram, like last week, I'm going to use the same example. Our whole number was 45 and we had the parts 14 and 31. To do a subtraction, we need to do whole, take away part, equals part. So as a number sentence, it would look like 45 take away 14 equals 31. Now we can transfer our number sentence into column subtraction. Like before, we need to make sure we label our tens and ones column. We want to start with the whole number and take away one of the parts. We then need to start with the ones column again. So I'm going to do 5 take away 4. That makes 1. Now I'm looking at my tens column. Remember that these numbers represent 10, so my 4 stands for 40. Take away 10. 40 take away 10 is 30, and I can represent that with a 3, meaning 3 tens. So my answer to 45 take away 14 is 31. That was an example of subtraction with no renaming. So we're going to have a look at another one. So this time we're going to have a look at 57 take away 34 equals. Now already I'm panicking a little bit that this is quite tricky, so I'm going to use my column method to work it out. I'm going to label my tens and ones column, and then I'm going to make sure I've got my biggest number first, my whole number, 57 take away 34. And now I need to work it out following the same steps, starting with the ones. 7 take away 4 is 3. 5 tens take away 3 tens is 2 tens. So my answer to 57 take away 34 equals 23. Now we're going to have a look at column subtraction with renaming. This is when we have a ones number that can't be taken away from another. As before, we need to follow the rules. So first of all, we're going to follow step 1 and we're going to put our number sentence, 92 take away 47, into our column method. 92 take away 47. As you can see, when I look at the ones column, I can't take away 2 from 7. This is when I need to now regroup 1 10 into 10 ones, and it can get quite tricky. So I'm going to take a 10 from my 9 tens. That means I have 8 tens left over, and I'm going to place that 10 in my ones. So I now have 12 ones take away 7 ones, and that makes 5. Here I have renamed my tens, so I now have 8 tens take away 4 tens, which gives me 4 tens left over. So the answer to 92 take away 47 is 45. Let's have another look at another example of subtraction with renaming. So I have 84 take away 65. I'm going to lay it out into column, 84, 65, not forgetting my symbol. So now if I have a look at the ones column first, it's asking me to do 4 take away 5, which I can't do. So now I need to regroup 1 10 into 10 ones. So I'm going to borrow from my tens column, so I know that I have 7 left. Always make sure you do this first. And I'm going to put the 10 that I've borrowed into 10 ones. So I now have 14 ones take away 5, and that will leave me with 9. Now I can do 7 tens take away 6 tens to leave me with 1 10, and an answer of 19. Now year 2s, I would like you to go and have a practice of column subtraction. On the website you'll find 3 different activity sheets. You can have a go at any of these, all of these, whenever you want. The first sheet has got a guided practice. The number sentences are already in the column method for you, so you can just have a go at using the steps to work them out. The second sheet has got some number sentences on it, and I'd like you to put them into column method to solve them. And number 3 is application through word problems. You need to read the word problem and then use column subtraction to work it out.